In this video series, we will complete a Revit project in 12 easy steps. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates. We have completed our project in previous videos. Now let's see how we can make project drawings in Revit. First of all, open Level 1. We will make some adjustments in our views. Click on this Show Crop Region button. Now reduce the region to show the part you want to show on the drawings. Once we are ready, we will click on the Hide Crop region to hide the rectangular box around our drawing. Now repeat the steps for Level 2, Section, Elevation, and 3D. Now to add new sheet, go to Project Browser. And from Sheets, add new sheet. Here we have a 130 by 42 sheet. Click OK to open it. Adjust the view. Now drag and drop the views on sheet from the Project Browser. When we place the view, we can see it is too small. As compared to sheet, it is 1 by 8 inch is to 1 feet scale, and we have a lot of space in sheet. Now let's change the scale of the views. First, delete the view from sheet. Now open Level 1 and click on this scale button. Change this to 1 by 4 inch is to 1 feet scale. We can see that the text on the view has also reduced in size. Repeat the same for all the views. Now open Drawing Sheet. Drag and drop the view on it. Now we can see that it is visible in our sheet. This view is drawn at the scale of 1 by 4 inch is to 1 feet. All the text has been adjusted accordingly. Now place Level 2. We can align Level 2 with Level 1. Now place South View on the sheet. It is also getting aligned with respect to Level 1. Now place Section View on the sheet. Finally, we will add 3D view in our sheet. Now our drawings is ready. All the views are on the sheet with all the necessary details. We have a ground floor plan, roof plan, front elevation, and a building section, along with 3D ready to print for final submission. I hope you have learned the basics of Revit. Soon you will be able to make complex projects. Keep practicing and watch our other video series. Thank you. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again. Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.